Today we're putting a festive twist on a Trinidad classic with this creamy pumpkin Ponche de Creme recipe. Infused with the warmth of nutmeg, cinnamon, star anise, and the rich creaminess of pumpkin and rum, this holiday drink is perfect for entertaining or cozy nights. Follow along as we show you how to create this smooth, spiced holiday treat step by step. In a saucepan, bring the diced pumpkin, star anise, and cinnamon stick to a boil until the pumpkin is tender. In a mixing bowl, combine the evaporated milk, freshly grated nutmeg, and grated tonka bean. Add some of the mixture to the hot pumpkin. Blend with the cooking spices and lime zest until smooth. Stir in the mixed essence, aromatic bitters, the blended pumpkin puree, and the remainder of the mixture. Gradually add the white rum and overproof rum, mixing thoroughly. Let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes for the flavors to marry. Strain the mixture to remove any large particles. Bottle the Ponche de Creme and refrigerate until ready to serve.